Okay guys, so I just went into this shop and well, so then watch. People, what have I? We have a sick, by the box, I'm sure you can tell, new pickup to show you. I am honestly gassed to have these, and yeah, this is a pretty good way to start out the vlog. We just picked up the new Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. I just want to say a massive shout out to Travis Scott for posting that story and making me have to pay an extra £200. If you don't know what I'm talking about, basically Travis Scott put on his story that basically they will never be releasing again, and if you got them then well done. And literally the price on StockX and the price everywhere just went up by like £200-300 like instantly overnight. It was crazy. If you don't follow me on Instagram, basically make sure you go and follow me on Instagram. It's @AriPetrou. I'll be giving away a pair of these. I actually just bought another pair of these and I'm going to be doing a giveaway over on my Instagram with Minimal LA, so make sure you stay tuned for that. This video is about to get crazy and I'm actually going to get up and take you guys over there because I really can't kneel down any longer. I never thought I'd buy a Jordan 1 low, but they're actually really, really nice. And talking about the Travis Scott low, basically I'm involved in a cook group right now on Discord. Me and a few people I know have started a group called EZCook. Now, you can probably realize what it is by the name. It's easy to cook. Sneakers, clothes, hypebeast items, designer items, anything. Basically, it's $3 a month, and it's not gonna be $3 a month for very much longer. So I suggest you listen to what I say, click the link down below after I've said what I have to say, and then basically go and sign up. So yeah, on the Travis Scott Jordan 1 low, we had so much success in the group. Loads and loads of people were copying the Travis Scott Jordan 1s with our group's help. As I said, it's only $3 to actually join the group. So I mean, $3, you copped a pair of Travis Scott lows. I think it was a good investment, and of course you can cop way more stuff than that. People have been so successful in the new Air Max that just come up. We've got Supreme monitors when the Supreme season's back. See, when stuff goes on sale, like designer stuff, we have monitors that basically tell you when that stuff's gonna go on sale, what stuff it's gonna go on. There are so many features to the group. I'm actually gonna read out some features because there are so many features I could probably not even remember them off the top of my head. So I'm gonna get the list and tell you guys more about it. So yeah, we have monitors on like over 200 websites. So any website that you can think of that sells clothes and sneakers and anything hypebeast or anything fashion, clothing related, we have a monitor on that. So a monitor is basically checking up for when stuff goes on there, restock, sales, anything like that. We have early links in the group. We also have a massive team working for us. So we have worldwide admins. So no matter where the hell you are in the world and you need to contact someone in our group, someone that can help you or anything like that, we have people from all around the world, America, Australia, Europe, everywhere, Asia. I think we have a few people working for us in Asia. So anytime you need help, we have you covered. Also, when any item release that you can think of that might resell or might not resell, then basically we'll be able to tell you. We have resale predictions and guides on how to cop certain items, if they're going to be on a specific website, what websites they're going to be, all that type of stuff. Also on releases like Yeezy releases, you see where they have the splash page and stuff like that, and it's really, really annoying to get through that. Well, basically we have the best people in the game to get through that stuff. So you just give us your info and then boom, we'll be able to cop for you, send them to your address and stuff like that. And the last thing I want to tell you about is we also have discount codes for certain websites like Saru General. Saru General is an amazing Instagram seller, and we've linked up with him to give people in our group, which is $3 a month, only $3 a month, not for very long as well. So make sure you do sign up right now. If you're in the group, then you have discounts on his website and stuff like that, and we're going to be linking up with loads more websites like that so you can get little discounts and stuff like that. So basically guys, EZCook, the best cook group in the game. Loads of cook groups are charging way more than $3, and basically we are the best and the cheapest cook group on the market. Make sure you sign up right now, $3 a month. Click the link down below. Download Discord, of course, because it is on the Discord app. And yeah, now we can get into the video. So in this video, I buy something crazy. One of the biggest purchases of my life, literally. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna flash back to a few days ago where I actually bought a really, really sick, basically an upgrade of this chain. Loads of you guys asked me where this chain is from, and basically I went and copped an upgraded version of this. So let's flash back to a few days ago and let's get into the video. What is going on, guys? It is your boy AriPetrou, UK's biggest hype. He's back again with another YouTube banger, and today we are in the heart of Hatton Garden, the whole jewellery district in London, and basically I'm here to pick up a few bits. So first of all, I'm gonna go into the Vault London, which is the shop right behind me. They have a chain for me, and basically the chain is a complete vibe. And then we are going to go into Pasha's Jewels. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe right now, smash a like on this video, follow me on Instagram before we even get started, and yeah, let's get it. Here we go. Wicked, right?
Wait, you can't really see it on camera.
No?
No, it's too icy.
It's too what? Wow. This looks sick though. That was quick. It's quicker than I thought.
Yeah.
What do you think about the length? How's this?
Length? It's perfect. Yes, same length, no? It looks so nice. So nice. I'm lost for words. It's better than the watch. Literally, to me.
This is like what I've wanted for the longest time.
Yeah, he really has. So nice, babe. It's so nice. So nice.
Right, with the chain, the watch, little bracelet. See, man? This is a big juicy combo.
Yeah.
So we basically just finished up at the Vault London, and I bought this new little Hamza hand, I call it a Hand of Fatima piece. Basically just like, I had it before, it was just a silver one. Loads of you guys were asking me like, where do you get that chain from, and la 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 la, and I just had it, I just bought it in a silver shop, didn't I, in Ibiza, babe. My mum always told me like, it keeps you away from evil. I think she gave me one when I was younger, and I lost it just being a kid. But then when I went into that shop and I saw it, I was like, wow, that's like amazing. I might just, you know, buy it myself. So yeah, what I've gone and done is obviously I have my Rose AP, I have the Cartier bracelet, and basically I just wanted, the silver chain didn't make sense with basically everything else I had. So I've gone ahead and bought basically the perfect Hand of Fatima. I was looking for one for the longest time. I was getting people to like custom make it for me and all that, and it was just long. And I went into the Vault and they basically just had exactly what I was looking for. And yeah, here it is. So that's a vibe. It was, I don't know, it was a little bit expensive. It was like, we got a good price on it anyway. So it's a vibe. Now you know where I got my chain from. Vault London in Hatton Garden. And yeah. So yeah guys, this is the chain that I bought. It's 9 carat rose gold, and then it's got VS1 diamonds basically completely flooded in there. The Vault do the best job of diamond setting, and that's why I did go to them when I was looking for a diamond pendant. But now, a few days before I bought this chain, I bought something even crazier. I bought a brand new watch. So let's flash back to that footage. Hey guys, so I just went into this shop, and well, basically they got the whole shebang going on. And yeah, so basically I'm thinking to buy another watch, which is like kind of not a replacement watch, but like more of an everyday watch that's not like too crazy like the watch that I currently have, which is just, it's just way too like flash, and just, it's amazing, it's a lovely watch, but I'm gonna keep it like in the vault, in the security vault that I have, not wear it all the time because it is way too flash. I'm trying to find something not as flash, but something still like really nice, really classy. So that's why I am in Hatton Garden today, basically just looking around and trying to find something that I really like that I can wear every day. And basically went to these guys, and yeah, well, they had a lot of stuff. Really nice stainless steel one here, lots of Rolexes, lots of subs, Jewellery bracelets, so many options. But I'm thinking, basically I just looked at an AP, and it was a 39mm, it was in a 41, so it's a bit smaller, but it's still really nice. It's discontinued, it's a really nice, just classy watch. I'm thinking about getting that one, but the reason I actually came here was to find a root beer Rolex GMT. So I'm trying to find that, and basically that's what I'm gonna go and look at now. And yeah, you guys are gonna come with me. So now, basically, I'm looking at this now. It's a root beer GMT. It came out like last year, and I was looking at it when it first came out. But this is quite a nice watch, to be honest. It's Rolex with the rose. It's like a stainless steel and rose. Let's try this. How's this?
Yeah. It's a very nice watch.
No?
Well, it's gorgeous.
Well, let's try this other option as well. The date just. Can you see the diamonds in there or no?
Well, you can get me that one, it's fine.
This is Great Empire.
What do you think?
I never been to that
It's the expert.
I hate it.
Beautiful watch, beautiful.
I like because you know what, I know
Or this one.
This one we found at Christmas. The cracker.
In the cracker. Yeah. How much is the root beer one?
It's a brand new watch, but I can probably round that for 14 and a half to you.
It's 2019.
2019.
So we are thinking about this one right now. The Rolex root beer is looking quite juicy, honestly. Thinking about this one right now. So basically the decision is what? To get this stainless steel AP for every day with this chain, and then basically whenever I go out or wherever it is, if it's like something special, then I can wear the rose with that new pendant and chain that I just got, and then that's, yeah. How much are you paying of it?
25 quid. I'll give you this pen.
Paying for parking.
Sol of butter.
For parking. Yeah, this video will be me buying another AP. I didn't think I'd even buy another AP, honestly. Once I had this like crazy piece, I never thought I'd buy another AP, but hey, we want the everyday watch, and I think this is the most perfect everyday watch for me. I never ever should have sold my original 41mm Chrono with the black face that I sold. I should have never sold that, but anyway, I did, and it's done. So this is the next option, and yeah, it's just basically being polished. Nice little rub, putting an extra link in it as well.
You're going backwards from gold to steel. What's happened to you?
No, there is
I
never.
thought it was Petrou.
There is never backwards. There is never backwards. Thank you.
Very proud of you.
Look at that.
Very proud of you.
With the chrono in there as well. Looks so nice. Look at them together. This is why basically I didn't go for the Rolex, is because, well, I basically wanted two of the same watches, one for every day and one for basically special occasions. I'm just OCD and anal like that. So yeah, that's literally the only reason, yeah, because of this man is why I'm like that. So yeah, yeah, I think this is basically the current rotation that we're gonna go for. I'm gonna try this one on one more time. We'll see how it is with the extra. How's that?
Beautiful.
Right? Yeah, just like that. No, every day. With this chain as well, because they're both the same color, and I think, yeah, that's the one. Anyway, this is the new watch.
Brilliant.
What a buy.
Well done.
Yeah.
Say thank you to Bara.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Always a pleasure.
And then look, this is the next.
Oh, it's a Casio. It's a
What Casio is that?
Oh, it's a which Casio?
Yeah, that's the next stage. Guys, the deed is basically, well, close enough done. There's still got to pay for it first. But listen, another AP box.
Again.
Again. Anyway, here it is.
We're keeping it in the family.
Yeah, the AP family is alive, and yeah, basically this is the new timepiece that I'll be wearing more often. Now to pay.
Oh.
So yeah. Well. Anyway, look.
Thank you.
The unfun part. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I just want to unbox it one more time. And yeah, here it is, my new Audemars. Come on, my new Audemars Piquet stainless steel, 39mm actually, not 41mm, white face with chronograph. Unbelievable watch, so glad I bought it. But seriously guys, just to end off the video, let me try and hit you with a bit of motivation. Like, I'm only 20 years old, and never did I ever think I'd be buying watches like this. And just, I mean, where's my other watch? Never ever did I think I would have two Audemars Piquets, and I could never ever think of myself buying stuff like this. And now I have two. I have a rose gold one and a stainless steel. And this is like, not to flex on people. Yeah, obviously on Instagram people love to flex, and online la 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 la. If there's something that you love and you love doing it, it could be anything. Maybe you're the best carpenter in the world. I don't know what the hell it is. If you love something and you're really passionate about it, just go for it. Like for me, it was just, I loved clothes and I loved sneakers, and I started posting it up on Instagram, and it did really well for me. And then I got my business brain on, and I was like, right, how can I capitalize on this and do better for myself, give myself a better future? And right now, I'm basically living in in my own place with my girlfriend, super happy, and I've allowed myself to go and buy items like this. So seriously guys, this is just a little bit of motivation. You don't have to work the hardest in whatever it is, but just work smart. Like with me, I literally get paid to post pictures on Instagram and make YouTube videos and stuff like that. Like, I don't really know what else to say apart from go and follow your dreams, whatever the hell it is. Just go and work hard, but make sure you work smart. Not always the guy that's working the hardest is doing the best. So that's all I have to say for today. Brand new watch, and I'm super happy about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's been your boy contactaripetrou, UK's biggest hypebeast. Please make sure you subscribe right now. I'm so close to 200,000 subscribers. If we can smash 5,000 likes on this video, I would really much appreciate it. Also follow me on Instagram @contactaripetrou. Peace out. Geez, army.